What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing wheel spacers on the Mustang. So what I did is I ended up buying 20 mil hub centric from Amazon, which means we're probably gonna have to roll the fenders because there's definitely gonna be poke. I was gonna roll the fenders today, but I don't have another jack stand and it's just not the safe way to do it. So anyways, we're gonna get the wheel spacers on, see how it looks, see how much the fenders need to get rolled. And then I did actually end up blowing out my rear shock when I was depressing the car after I put the wheels on. I don't know how the hell it happened, but it happened. So we're gonna have to fix that shock at some point too. But for the time being, let's get to these spacers. So I ended up going with the Coyote billet aluminum wheel adapters, hub centric ones. I had the same exact ones on my old 2-valve, no complaints with them, and they're black, so they'll blend in well. So I just got some 180 here. I'm just gonna kind of sand down the area. Oh shoot. All right, should be it. Ah shit, here we go. This is them for sure. I'm gonna have to find the torque spec for these baddies. I don't know what this car is, 100? So here she is. We got the 5x4.5, 114.3 with the 70.5 center bore, 20 mil spacers. Gonna see how it looks. Like I said, definitely gonna have to roll the fender because I'll be pushing like an 11.2 in the rear in width, which is huge. But I'm excited to see how they're gonna look. A couple droplets of anti-seize all over this John. Okay. All right, I'm actually gonna take some Loctite. I'm gonna fill the nuts with some Loctite. Doesn't hurt, especially with wheel spacers and them wheel vibrations. I have no idea how this is gonna look. Okay. What size are these? Are they 21? 21. 21. All right, so torque these weenies down. Coming true. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna Loctite these babies too. Just a little dribble in there. Shit, that ain't bad. Just got a little girth now. I don't hate it. It's definitely poking. And a slight fender roll will be okay, but oh yeah. I hate carrying jacks. I already sanded this side down a couple days ago so we can get right to the spacer. Oh yeah, that lined up much better. Where's my medium straight thread locker at? Where's my thread locker at? This is such an entertaining video for you guys. Oh my. Honestly, that's gonna wrap it up for this short little video. It's just a wheel spacer install, and I'm honestly pretty happy with how it turned out. I don't think it's an unreal amount of poke. I think with a slight fender roll and the new rear suspension, I think it's gonna look awesome. It does look good for sure. Nice little poke. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.